Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and today I'm sharing with you a super hands-on DIY brain teaser for 2 years and up. And what I've done, I have taken just simple pieces of paper like a cardstock, which is like 300 or 350 GSM, and I have cut them into these small rectangular pieces, as you can see. And then I have these 5 different cutouts which probably make them look like a horn or a tiara or like a building's yeah, just like a top part of the building. So basically what we are doing here is we are just creating a different patterns of colors in design, and I have created this here. Basically, I don't take out the printouts, but just to show to you guys, I have taken prints. So what I've done, you can see if you take this as a first card. So you need a purple and a yellow to begin with, and then you need to put these colors in the same chronological order as it shows on the card. Okay, and I have added these just to make it more fun for the little guys. I mean, you can like definitely like make some flowers or like try and take different kinds of papers if you have. I have just kept it very simple. um then I've made like 12 or 13 designs with different colors, and the cards are all positioned in a different way, if you will see, in terms of the order. And every time a child you present to them, they have to pick up one card, and out of these they will pick up these two and they're gonna put it here. So like here they need a green and a pink here, and then this you can put all of them like aside down here, and they are building it on a gray color panel, which stands as a building. You can use a different color paper, you can use actual cardboard, and these are exactly these bits of paper that I have. I am planning to not laminate them, but if you want to laminate them and use it like again and again, you can definitely do that. You can also laminate this, and you can also add on the sticky. I'm sorry, I can't get the name right. The Velcros. Yes, you can actually put the Velcros all here, so that it's easy for the kids to like pick up and just stick them right here, just according to this. So for kids who are younger, and if you have an iPhone or like a tab or a phone, you can actually take pictures and put this right in front of them, or you can actually take out prints and you can like laminate or put it in a film and then put it for them, so that you can maintain it. You can keep going back and forth again and again. You can reduce the colors, or you can reduce the bits, and if you think it's too much for your child, you can maybe just use 6 in the beginning, and here you can just use like one color. And if you think your kid is able to do it, then maybe you can add different colors, different variations to all different ones of them. And I have made like many of them, and trust me guys, I have used many colors where the kids can get confused too, because the brain teaser. So I have like 3 types of pinks, 2 types of yellow, and 2 shades of green, which can make it a little more interesting and tricky for the kids at the same time. So that's it guys, this was the game, and if you have any questions about the game, do let me know. If you like this brain teaser activity for your 2-year-old plus kids, give me a thumbs up, and if you think you can improvise it for your 6-year-old child or like a 5-year-old child, do let me know. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.